Nah, halo El Crew. Nah, kemarin kita udah bikin ya spill check buat dashcam dari Minnamoto. Sekarang udah kita pasang di motor yang unik banget nih. Ada Keeway, Benda. Nah, ini V-twin tapi 250 cc. Ini di luar ekspektasi, enak banget motornya. Ini sudah kita pasang ya dashcamnya. Kita buatin bracketnya, walaupun sederhana tapi tetap proper, tetap cakep ya. Nah, ini dashcamnya. Nanti kita liatin ada apa, fitur apa aja yang ada di dashcam ini. Stay tune terus di Motoland. Ditunggu.
12 in the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail every minute rogue wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit them every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill them. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas or a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I'm spraying this K, you fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon. But these rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping waste, living good. Holding stick glocks, but you been a bitch, sucking thick cock. Fucking grip walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a little brat. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain splatter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck.